What's up, ladies and gentlemen? DaviFX back again with another daily analysis video. What a week! What a week it has been. It's Friday, last day, last trading day of the week. Just amazing, amazing, amazing week. And if you've seen my previous videos, I've been calling this bull run over and over and over again this whole week. Just basically looking at my YouTube videos, bull run, inverse head and shoulders, and all that stuff. And as you can see, if you look at my chart, if you look at my screen, like I talked about in previous video, the price was like somewhere around here, and I was like, I'm holding my full positions, and we have potential 12R. And what happened? New York opened, we got this crazy strong bull push, and our all profits were secured. What an amazing week! What an amazing week! And in today's video, I'm gonna talk about what we're gonna be looking further, and also I'm gonna explain a little bit of the trade that I just called out this morning. The first target got hit, the second target got hit, we secured the partials, we're good. So once again, taking two trades of this major. Before I start, if you haven't seen my previous videos, such as Monday, Tuesday videos, I suggest you to go back. I'm gonna have a link here above in this video. I suggest you to go back and watch it because it's more in depth, more in from a higher time frame perspective. And right now, as the week goes on, I go to lower time frames. So if you want to have a grasp of why I were looking for longs, I suggest you to watch that video first and then come back to this video. So once again, we took some buys off of this support that has been holding. It dipped a lower to this demand. We took the buys, we secured the profits. It came above, came back down to the support, took the buys once again, secured the profit once again. So I talked about these in the previous videos. I'm not going to talk about anymore. It's take partials, we move along. So as the price was moving up, we had a really strong bullish momentum, right? So I was waiting for the price to come down to the zone to retest before taking further buys. But I was just looking at the price action and asking myself, is the price really gonna come all the way down here after this very strong bullish momentum, bullish rally? So what I told myself is I'm gonna be looking for buys somewhere around in the zone because since the push is so strong, the retracement might not be as deep, and also I think longer perspective, our final target is right here. Our major supply zone, as you can see, has been respected multiple times. Very strong reactions, very strong reactions of the market from this zone. So I think overall market direction should lead to all the way up to the supply zone. So now I told myself I'm gonna look for buys here, and if it doesn't work out, then I'm gonna wait for the price to come to the zone and then look for buys from there. So I had a plan A and plan B, and plan A worked out perfectly. Let's go down to the lower time frame, and I'm gonna show you my confirmations. So we had a demand, we had some demand here, we had some orders here, and oops, my bad, let me go back. So as the price was moving, it was touching this zone as well. It dipped a little bit lower to touch this zone as well, and it was respecting over the night, over the Asian session, and throughout the pre-London, this whole zone was holding really well. So right before London, I was asking myself, okay, once again, we have two potential scenarios. I don't know why it keeps coming back there, my bad. So we have two potential scenarios. This is a crazy morning. Okay. Um, I'm sorry, I apologize. So we're gonna respect this, or the next target is this. So once again, plan A, plan B. Let's zoom in and kind of look at my confirmations that I had. This was, so New York session, my time is 10 a.m. So this was the New York session open right here. So we had a push to the upside. The price respected this trend line that I have here. Boom, boom, respected, pushed down, but once again failed to break and started consolidating. And what I really liked, if you know something about price action, every time the price consolidates, it likes to dip in the opposite direction and then move, to the opposite direction. So in this case, we had the consolidation right here. We had a quick dip down, invalidating all these stop losses that we had here and here, and then start to move up. I didn't wait just for the dip. I waited for this price action to start moving up. And as soon as I had, structure break right here with this nice bullish engulfing candle, I decided to enter. And basically, once again, no drawdown. The price moved up really nicely. So our first target was 121. It was got hit almost right away. And the second target was here, 2.5 risk to reward. So a really nice trade. I already secured some partials. And my final target, like I just talked about, this major supply zone that everyone should be aware, is right here. Wow. Right here. So potentially, if the price ends up coming back all the way up here, that's a nice 1 to 6.8 risk to reward trade. And yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna be looking for any more trades. Really nice trade going on, and hopefully it ends up hitting our final target, which would be some nice profits. Now, if you didn't get in this trade, if you missed it, you have two options. You can either join my group where I share all my trade ideas and you can follow every move that I make in the markets. This month I told my students and my followers that May, June, and July are the best performing months for me personally, statistically, over 5 years. I said that in the beginning of May, and to this day, I have made 20% on my funded account. I shared my profits with my followers. 20% of my 500,000 funded account, and I just proved the fact, proved the statistics, and yeah. So if you miss this trade, you can either join, you can either learn from me, where you can find all that in the description, or what you can do, it's actually, of course, a little bit less probable trade, but you can wait for the price to break above this, retest, and then run this position up to this zone. So that's a potential thing that you could do for today, US 100 price action. Yeah, so that's basically all I have. Pretty nice and simple. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for hitting 700 subscribers. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of these videos. Check all the links in the description. If you like something, pick something. And also follow my Instagram. You can reach out to me there. I'll reply to all your messages. Thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend. See you all on Monday. Peace.